Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Shrikant, and welcome to my channel, Brand Frenzy. Today, I'm going to be talking about a very famous and iconic brand called Tommy Hilfiger, my favorite brand for all time. And just going to give you a quick uh, sneak peek of why Tommy Hilfiger is such an iconic brand today. Okay, so when you enter usa.tommy.com, it is extremely clear that the logo of Tommy Hilfiger, which is the white, red, and the blue, is extremely iconic. Very, very vibrant colors. The quality of the clothing is extraordinary, and it's got its own sophistication, right? The branding has its own sophistication for a long time. And if you clearly have a look at some of the stylings, it is very, very colorful in nature, specifically the logo shop. If someone who is so obsessed about showing the logo, I think Tommy Hilfiger does a very, very good job from UI UX perspective. It kind of captures your interest with this amazing logo, which is stuck towards the center of the t-shirt, and they look very, very iconic and stylish. And same thing goes with your accessories, right? All the accessories in Tommy Hilfiger are extremely stylish. Be it your watches with the Tommy branding, it could be the wallets, it could be the cufflinks, bracelets, bags, your socks, anything that for that matter. Tommy Hilfiger really rocks. Look at the vibrance that is clearly showcased in the brand. Very, very iconic, very, very American. And the moment you wear Tommy Hilfiger, you kind of represent a fashion designer, of course, in America, but you also represent America because it's so American in nature. So that's a quick sneak peek of the brand Tommy Hilfiger, one of my favorites. I would strongly recommend that you have a collection of Tommy. They are very cool. They're very stylish. And yeah, that's my first video on Tommy Hilfiger. More and more videos to come on other brands. Stay tuned.